Hi dear colleague, today is Thursday, July 29th, and I'm pleased to share a fresh market review with you. The crucial news is that the US dollar dropped in response to policy decisions of the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell didn't introduce any changes. Like in the previous speech, he told the market that the central bank would raise interest rates in due course. The first rate hike is widely expected in 2023. The seesaw and rhetoric is common to all Fed policymakers and all chairs in particular. They pursue certain goals. Following the last policy meeting, the US dollar asserted strength. This time the US currency weakened. This produced an effect on all dollar-related instruments. Let's discuss it in this video. The S&P 500 is soaring in space amid upbeat reports on corporate earnings. As usual, we begin our review with gold. Powell's press conference prepared a rapid rally of the previous metal. It proved that the greenback tumbled. The Fed intends to carry on with its monetary stimulus indefinitely. Thus, gold felt strong buying pressure on the American session yesterday and the Asian session today. The highest extreme was printed on July 20th. If gold doesn't test in the American trade today and make a retracement, we could work like that. Let's apply the Fibonacci grid to the wave triggered by the news. If the impulse slows down, we could hunt for the double top. I thought that after yesterday's rally, gold would make a retracement in the American session today. If so, we could hunt for these extremes in the nearest days. Actually, Asian traders pushed the price up. European traders also continue this bullish scenario. So, if there is a retracement, we could try to enter the market. If the highest extreme is broken in the American session, we won't be able to open any positions on gold. Silver also perked up yesterday after Powell's speech. Silver's rally doesn't look as ambitious as in the gold case. I see certain impulse and the whole upward move can be defined as an upward correction within the overall downtrend. I'm still interested in long positions at low prices. Powell's press conference didn't come as a bombshell. The policy update in September will be more significant. Meanwhile, the US dollar is losing some ground for a while, but I think the dollar's weakness doesn't rest on fundamental factors. I don't see a trend reversal for the greenback. The euro-dollar pair is extending buying pressure on the European trade from yesterday, like gold. Extremes of the month are ahead. Here are they on the chart, not far away from the current levels. 20 pips are left. My plan is the same as about gold. If these extremes of the month are not broken at once, they will be tested after a retracement. It is too early to speak about it. When the American session opens, traders could continue opening long positions as yesterday. Why not? If there is a double top in the chart, we could try hunting for it on the ground of the bullish bar formed in light of yesterday's news. As for the pound sterling, it makes sense to bet on the pound's growth amid the greenback's weakness due to the Fed's rhetoric. This trading idea can be implemented alright. My scenario is to trade a fake breakout, which is now in progress. What interesting moves can be used? If the pair makes retracements, we could use them to open positions. The thing is that the price doesn't make retracements at all. The instrument is growing non-stop day by day, so we don't have an opportunity to enter the market. Perhaps retracements will happen on weekly time frames and we will be able to open long positions at that price which I have told you about. The dollar-yen pair gave a muted response to yesterday's news. The Japanese yen also makes an impact on the price besides the US dollar. The overall bullish outlook remains valid. Even yesterday the currency pair was bullish in terms of the candlestick's body. The yen is much weaker than the soft dollar, so I still have a buy trading idea for the dollar-yen pair. So that's all I wanted to tell you today. The US is due to report on its GDP and unemployment claims tonight. The market will be volatile during the American session. I guess American bulls will fight for the market. See you soon. Bye bye.